Welcome to Examtoid, your study partner. Today we will discuss the most important current affairs of 2nd January. Let's start. Which state has launched river cruise Brahmaputra Mukuta? The options are West Bengal, Bihar, Telangana, Assam. And the correct answer is Assam. Assam has launched this river cruise in order to promote river tourism in the state of Assam. It was inaugurated by the CM of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, and this cruise ship is made by ABCT Exploration Company in Dibrugarh, Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur and the chief minister is Sarbananda Sonowal. The governor of Assam is Professor Jagdish Mukhi, and some famous festivals of Assam are Bihu, Baishagu, Ambubachi Mela. Let's see the next question. Who has been nominated as the board member of Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization? The correct answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. He has been nominated for the board member of GAVI. Gavi. Gavi is a vaccine alliance, and its goal is to increase the access of immunization in poor countries. The headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland, and it was founded in January 2000. Currently, Ozzy Okonjo-Iweala served as the chair of the Gavi Alliance board. Let's see what next. Recently, India's Union Cabinet has approved the export of which missile to friendly foreign countries? The options are Prithvi, Nirbhay, Akash, and Agni. The correct answer is Akash. Akash is a medium-range mobile service to air missile. It is developed by Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. And currently, Akash missile is used by Indian Air Force and Indian Army. Next question. Which is the first bank to partner with Google Pay to issue FASTag? And the correct answer is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has partnered with Google Pay to issue FASTag. As you know that government has made it mandatory to add FASTag to vehicles from January 1. FASTag is an electronic toll collection system in which the driver can pass through the FASTag lanes without having to stop to pay the toll taxes, and the charges will be deducted automatically from the prepaid or bank account. Some key information about ICICI Bank. The full form is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. The current CEO is Sandeep Bakshi and the headquarters is in Mumbai. Who authored the book Sutra Nivedanachi Sutra Ek Anubhav? The correct answer is Dr. Rupa Chari. Dr. Rupa Chari is a well-known personality in the field of comparing in Goa, and this book will help youngsters as a guide to who are willing to make their career in the field of comparing. Next question is which state has launched Pedalandariki Illu, which means houses for all the poor project? Options are Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has launched this project for house for all. Some key information about Andhra Pradesh. The governor is Biswabhushan Harichandan. The CM of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy, and it has three capitals. One is Amravati, it is the legislative capital, Visakhapatnam, executive capital, and Kurnool is the judicial capital. Which state has opened India's first pollinator park? Options are Tripura, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan. And the correct answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has opened this India's first pollinator park in Haldwani. And with this park, the main aim is to conserve various pollinator species. They will also help in creating awareness and also promote research in various aspects of pollination. Some facts about Uttarakhand. The governor is Vavi Rani Maurya. The Chief Minister is Tribandra Singh Rawat, and the capital is Dehradun. It is the winter capital, and Gairsin is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Recently, Tesla Motor has announced its entry in India in 2021. Who is the CEO of Tesla Motor? Correct answer is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla Motor. Tesla Motor was founded in 1st July 2003, and the headquarters is Palo Alto, California in United States. Who became the first female president of the Softball Federation of India? Options are Mary Kom, Mithali Raj, Neetal Narang, and Sakshi Malik. The correct answer is Neetal Narang. She became the first female president of Softball Federation of India. The Softball Federation of India was founded in 21st November 1961, and the CEO is Praveen Anurkar. Next question is, recently in which country world first physical branch of cryptocurrency bank is launched by Unicus? Options are China, UK, India, and USA. Correct answer is sorry. The correct answer would be India. Unicus has launched this first cryptocurrency physical branch in city of Jaipur in India. Unicus is a joint venture by financial services companies Kesha and United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society. The current CEO of Unicus is Dinesh Kukreja. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more such updates.